said I was going to get up on here and teach you guys what I've done and what I know so far. I had all these grand ideas, but as life happens, some things just fall off. And, this was one of them. But hi. A lot's been happening. I've been consistent with my speech therapy, and I've been consistent with my OT and PT, physical therapy, and occupational therapy for those that don't know. Just been trying to live in this new normal that I'm experiencing. I have glitches at times like that where I'm like, okay, really? You can't say computer? That was one of the words that stuck for weeks, and I'm just now starting to say it, with a flow. Before, it was like computer was a different language. I've come a long way. I feel like I haven't sat down and talked for a while. The last time you guys heard my voice was when I was doing the constant therapy videos. Even with that, I haven't really used it in the recent weeks, but I'm still using it. Overall, I feel good. I have my bad days, but overall, it's been quite the learning experience. I learned a lot about myself, even to this day, physically, mentally, emotionally. Like, it's been a journey. Oh, I've been dibbling and dabbling in the dating scene. Not too much on me. I'm slowly getting back to feeling comfortable in my own skin. Okay, I'm about to be real vulnerable. So on top of not being able to speak and having a limp at times, I've been in my head about dating. If people will accept me in my new normal, especially if they've known me before the stroke. So I don't want anybody to compare who I was based off of who I am now. Tiptoeing. I'm not even fully in, but I'm merely tiptoeing back in the dating pool. I'm gaining my independence slowly. That's the first step to my independence, is socializing. Also, I want to feel desired again, you know? So I decided to venture back out and, you know, start getting out to date and just socializing, period. You know, whereas before I was, you know, around my birthday, I don't want to go out, or, you know, I just became a hermit. And my mom was like, that's not you. You always celebrate your birthday and everybody else's. So you not doing anything is like, it's who I am. I'm gonna celebrate and do something not on as grand of a scale, because I'm ready, but I ain't that ready. I do want to celebrate and get dressed and do all the things that I haven't been able to do in the past year. And I'm gonna enjoy my 47th birthday. Ugh! Can we just talk about that? 47! Ugh! I'm trying to embrace it because it's a blessing that I'm even here. So I'm gonna rebrand 50 and try to embrace the fact that it's an honor to turn 50, or to be closer to 50 than the earlier ages. I just wanted to give you guys a mini catch-up session and say hi and all the things, but we gonna see. I ain't making no promises. I ain't making no grand announcements like I'm back or nothing like that. Y'all gonna get what you get. Okay? And I'll see y'all when I see you.